Good morning and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. We're taking a look at a 2015 Great Dane 48 by 102 fixed axle aluminum combo air ride suspension 69,000 GVW trailer, folks. This unit has been turbo blasted, primed and repainted. Has a brand new kingpin plate underneath it. Beams are in excellent condition. Brand new buyer's toolbox. Aluminum combo, air ride, spread, tandem, folks. Aluminum outer rim with steel inner. Brand new rubber, brand new brakes and drums. This unit is equipped with a universal mounting kit. Carries Moffett, Loadmac, Princeton, and many other brands. Take a look at our website, 99lift.com. Give us a call at 260-238-4998. You can take a look at all of our available equipment. As I said, aluminum outer rim, steel inner, brand new rubber all the way around this unit. Drums and brakes have been replaced. Brand new straps with refurbed ratchets. As you can see, this is a beautiful aluminum combo 48 by 102 2015 Great Dane. Give us a call at 260-238-4998.